Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why does my GoPro only record for 5 minutes? Don't forget, your GoPro splits up your videos as it's recorded for protection from damage. So with a 4 GB file size limit, that would equate to about 5 minutes 24 seconds of video at 2.7K, so a 15-minute video would result in 3 different video files. So make sure you're checking all the files on your SD card. Why does my GoPro stop recording after 8 minutes? It may be to do with chaptering. If you've changed the resolution or frame rate, then the bit rate may have changed, which in turn will change the time length of each 4 GB chapter. It shouldn't affect the video though, as they will seamlessly recombine in post-production. What is GoPro looping? Looping video is a really cool feature that means you can run your camera until something good happens, then instead of waiting through hours and hours of boring footage, it'll overwrite files so you can find the good stuff really quickly. How long can the GoPro Hero 9 record? When shooting in 5K and using a 128 GB SD card, you should get about 4 hours and 12 minutes of recording time on that card. For the other cards, you can multiply that time based on the size of the card you're using.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.